Namaste everyone. Welcome back to our YouTube channel Learning Nepali. This is me Samana Rai. In today's video, we are going to learn the names of different body parts in Nepali. We will practice both Nepali words and simple example sentences to help you speak naturally. Okay, now let's learn about the different body parts like head, eyes, ears, nose, and what do we say them in Nepali. Okay, let's get into it. The first is head. Head means टाउको. टाउको. Hair. Hair means कपाला. कपाला. Eyes. That means आँखा. आँखा. Nose. Nose means नाक. नाक. Mouth. Mouth means मुख. मुख. Teeth. Teeth means दाँत. दाँत. Tongue. Tongue means जिब्रो. जिब्रो. Ear. That means कान. कान. Lips. Lips means ओठ. ओठ. Eyebrow. आँखी भौं. आँखी भौं. Neck. Neck means घाटी. घाटी. Shoulder. That means काँध. काँध. Okay. Elbow. That means कुहिनो. कुहिनो. Arm. हात. हात. Chest. छाती. छाती. Wrist. नाडी. नाडी. Hand. Hand means हात. हात. Finger. औंला. औंला. Thumb. औठो. औठो. Back. ढाड. ढाड. Stomach. पेट. पेट. Waist. कम्बर. कम्बर. Knee. घुँडा. घुँडा. Leg. खुट्टा. खुट्टा. Toe. खुट्टाको औँला. खुट्टाको औँला. Hip. नितम्ब. नितम्ब. Thigh. That means जाँघ. जाँघ. Navel. नाइटो. नाइटो. These were the names of body parts. Now, let's talk about body organs. Firstly, it's brain. That means दिमाग. दिमाग. Heart. That means मुटु. मुटु. Liver. कलेजो. कलेजो. Lungs. फोक्सो. फोक्सो. Blood. रगत. रगत. Kidney. That means मिर्गौला. मिर्गौला. Okay, now let's see with example sentences. Let's say, I have a headache. That means मेरो टाउको दुखेको छ. मेरो टाउको दुखेको छ. I have two eyes. That means मेरा दुई आँखा छन्. मेरा दुई आँखा छन्. Her hair is long. That means उनको कपाल लामो छ. उनको कपाल लामो छ. Let's say, his nose is beautiful. उसको नाक राम्रो छ. उसको नाक राम्रो छ. Let's say, you have small ears. That means तिम्रो कानहरू साना छन्. तिम्रो कानहरू साना छन्. Don't open your mouth. तिमी आफ्नो मुख नखोला. तिमी आफ्नो मुख नखोला. I brush my teeth every day. म हरेक दिन दाँत माज्छु म हरेक दिन दाँत माज्छु Show me your tongue That means मलाई तिम्रो जिब्रो देखाऊ मलाई तिम्रो जिब्रो देखाऊ Let's say her cheeks are red That means उनको गाला रातो छ उनको गाला रातो छ Let's say her lips are pink That means उनको ओठ गुलाबी छ उनको ओठ गुलाबी छ My neck are hurting मेरो घाँटी दुखिरहेको छ मेरो घाँटी दुखिरहेको छ He carried his bag on his shoulder उसले आफ्नो झोला काँधमा बोक्यो उसले आफ्नो झोला काँधमा बोक्यो Raise your arm That means आफ्नो हात उठाऊ आफ्नो हात उठाऊ My elbow is hurting मेरो कुहिनो दुखेको छ मेरो कुहिनो दुखेको छ I have 10 fingers That means मेरो 10 वटा औँला छन् मेरो 10 वटा औँला छन् My thumb is swollen मेरो औँठो सुनिएको छ मेरो औँठो सुनिएको छ He has a strong chest That means उसको छाती बलियो छ उसको छाती बलियो छ Let's say my back hurts That means मेरो ढाड दुख्छ मेरो ढाड दुख्छ Let's say my stomach is full That means मेरो पेट भरिएको छ मेरो पेट भरिएको छ She has a slim waist That means उनको कम्मर पातलो छ उनको कम्मर पातलो छ He has a strong legs उसका खुट्टा बलिया छन् उसका खुट्टा बलिया छन् My thigh is sore That means मेरो जाँघ दुखेको छ मेरो जाँघ दुखेको छ Let's say I bent my knees That means मैले मेरो गुडा मोडे मैले मेरो गुडा मोडे Let's say her toes are beautiful That means उनको खुट्टाका औँलाहरू राम्रा छन् उनको खुट्टाका औँलाहरू राम्रा छन् Use your brain तिम्रो दिमाग प्रयोग गर तिम्रो दिमाग प्रयोग गर The heart beat fast That means मुटु छिटो धड्किन्छ मुटु छिटो धड्किन्छ Smoking harms your lungs That means धुम्रपानले तिम्रो फोक्सो बिगार्छ धुम्रपानले तिम्रो फोक्सो बिगार्छ The liver helps digest food कलेजोले खाना पचाउन मद्दत गर्छ कलेजोले खाना पचाउन मद्दत गर्छ He has kidney problem That means उसलाई मृगौलाको समस्या छ उसलाई मृगौलाको समस्या छ So the last one is let's say the body needs blood That means शरीरलाई रगत चाहिन्छ शरीरलाई रगत चाहिन्छ This was it for today's video. Now you have learned the names of different body parts and organs in Nepali. Keep practicing to improve your pronunciation. To learn more Nepali with us, do like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you like this video, Don't forget to comment down below your thoughts. Okay, I'll see you in next video. Until then, take care, have fun. Namaste.